Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Sword of Night and Flame, a truly exceptional weapon. This straight sword is highly sought after for its unique abilities. You'll begin your journey to acquire it by heading to Caria Manor, a significant location found in the northern reaches of the Liurnia of the Lakes region. Prepare for a challenging but rewarding adventure to claim this legendary blade. To start, you'll need to make your way through Caria Manor until you discover the manor lower-level site of Grace. This will be your crucial starting point. Once you've rested there, exit the room and step out onto the intricate network of elevated walkways. Be vigilant, as ghostly knights patrol these narrow paths, ready to challenge your progress. Move with purpose to avoid unnecessary confrontations. Continue along the walkways, making a left turn at the first junction and then a right at the next. Keep a keen eye on your left side. You'll soon spot a large, accessible rooftop beneath you. Carefully drop down onto this first roof. From there, look for a second, slightly lower rooftop that features a distinctive square hole. This opening is your next target, leading you closer to the sword. Once you've landed on the second roof, descend the ladder found within the square hole. This will lead you into a secluded, dimly lit room. Inside, you'll find a chest waiting for you. Open it to claim the Sword of Night and Flame. This incredible weapon boasts a unique skill, allowing you to unleash devastating magic beams or sweeping bursts of fire, making it a versatile choice for any tarnished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.